friends, welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything with me, Monica. Today I am going to show you one product which I have purchased in Amazon. First, let's talk about the most used item in the kitchen. What is the most used item in the kitchen besides the knife? The chopping board, of course. Many of us do not give as much importance to chopping board as we give it to the knife. Chopping boards come in various materials like plastic, wood, bamboo or glass, name it. I have been using a bamboo chopping board. Prior to that I had been using a plastic chopping board. I had not been happy with both. The reason being, the bamboo chopping board has cracks which when you wash it, water gets into it and the chopping board swells up. And coming to the plastic, we all know the bad effects of plastic on our health. When we cut using a sharp knife, small particles of plastic also get cut, and you can see this when you use a plastic chopping board and would know by the number of marks the knife leaves on the surface. I wanted a chopping board which was made with a single piece of wood to ensure that no cracks appear and also to be sure that there is no water seepage inside. So I was looking for such a product in Amazon. So I came across this brand called Woodchop, which is an upcoming brand which makes single piece of wood chopping boards, and I have selected the extra large mango wood chopping board. So it came in nicely packed from Amazon. I have discarded the external cover. This is how the internal packing looks, and this is quite heavy. So let me peel the outer layer. See the other side also. This is not dyed or this is not colored in any way. This is a natural form. Only thing is, to protect the wood, they have nourished it with some mineral oil, which they also recommend to do it to ensure the long life of the product. See this? What is written here? So these are the different textures in which mango wood comes, and these should not be confused to stains or fungus or any kind of algae or something. This is a natural form of mango wood and is natural. See, my chopping board also looks like this. It has some kind of here, smooth finish here. See this? This is unlike how it looks to be rough. This is not rough at all. It has been smoothened well. The surface is smooth and the handle is also very sturdy. It's contrast black in color. This seems to be a metal. So I'm happy with this purchase. If you are looking for a single piece chopping board, I would suggest you to have a look at this. This is about the brand and how to take care. This is quite heavy. You can see, you can have an estimate of how big is this chopping board by having a look at this. I'm holding it with my two hands. So if you are looking for a chopping board, I hope you could look at this option as well. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.